Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal. As a faculty, Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajata student. Today I am taking the chapter number 10 of the class 10th science. The name of the chapter, light, reflection and refraction. Student, today I introduce first one, reflection, then after refraction and third one, refraction through prism. Now, we taking the topic reflection. What is the mean of reflection? Firstly, I introduce a single word surface. How many types of the surface are there? How many types of the surface? First one is the regular surface, regular, and second one is the non-regular. Regular, that means plane surface, and non-plane surface. I hope plane surface is an example. Just like these surface are known as a plane surface and these surface are known as non-regular surface. In the case of the reflection, I used a regular surface. Student, here let me consider a plane surface. Let me consider a plane surface. In the case of a reflection, we used a some word just like a incident ray, a refracted ray, normal, point, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and so on. Student, firstly, I introduce a single plane surface. This is an example of a plane surface. Let me consider any beam of light, any beam of light incident at any point of plane surface. These light are known as incident ray. Incident ray. Then after the reflection passing through the same medium. ये कौन सा medium है student? Now we taking the, let we consider a air medium. If any beam of light arrive through any medium, then after the reflection passing in the same medium, these phenomena are known as reflection. So student, these phenomena are known as reflection of light. In the case of the reflection, we need only one medium. But in the case of the reflection, we need more than one medium. That means a two medium or three mediums and so on. In the case of the one medium, we use the air medium. One more time, I telling the definition of the reflection. When any incident ray after the collision from any surface passing in the same medium with the another path, these phenomena are known as a reflection of light. In the case of reflection of light, the incident ray are known as the ray of incidence or incident ray, and these light are known as reflected ray, and these points are known as point of reflection. Reflection. Student, this is known as incident ray, this is known as reflected ray, and these points are known as point of reflection. Now, I draw a simple perpendicular. We draw a simple perpendicular. Draw a simple perpendicular on the point of reflection. These perpendicular are known as normal. A normal made a angle with the incident ray are known as angle of reflection. And angle made by reflected ray with respect to normal are known as angle of reflection. Student, here I used some word. First one, plane surface. this is known as plane surface. Incident ray, and this is known as a reflected ray. Second one, the angle of reflection, angle made by the normal when incident ray made angle with the normal are known as angle of reflection, and angle of incidence, this is known as angle of incidence, and this is known as angle of reflection. I represent angle of incidence and R represent the angle of reflection. But by the phenomena, by law of reflection, we can say angle I equal to angle R. What is the meaning of the angle I equal to angle R? That means angle of incidence will be equal of angle of reflection, and these point also known as point of reflection. These total phenomena are known as reflection. Student, now second topic, the name of the topic is the refraction. Refraction, a simple definition of the refraction, a process, a phenomena of light in which we used more than one medium. These phenomena are known as refraction of light. One more time. Let me consider a vessel. Let me consider A, B, C, D. Be careful. A, B, C, D is a vessel which consists the quantity of water. What is the meaning of the water? That means another medium apart from the air medium. Student, here this is represent the quantity of water. I used another medium, water, which represent the another medium apart from the air medium. Let me consider, apart from the vessel, used air medium, and this is known as water medium, and another, this will be equal of the air medium. ठीक है. First, ray that means a light arrive through any source or sun. This light are known as incident ray. The arrival, आने वाली लाइन को हम बोलेंगे इंसिडेंट रे. At any point of a surface. Let me consider PQ. What is the meaning of the PQ? PQ is a first ray which known as incident ray. ठीक है. अब स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर भी मैं आपको दो बात समझाऊंगा. फर्स्ट वन इज द एयर मीडियम एंड सेकेंड वन इज द water medium. Air medium are known as rarer medium and water medium are known as denser medium. What is the basic difference between the air medium and denser medium? When we study about the density, the low density are known as the rarer medium. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अ एयर मीडियम. मैं यहाँ पर हाथ हिला रहा हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा वर्क हो रहा है, यस. बट अगर जो इसी हाथ को मैं पानी में हिलाऊंगा तो मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत होगी एज कम्पेयर टू एयर मीडियम. अगर जो मैं इसको सिलिका मतलब रेत में हिलाऊंगा तो मुझे और ज़्यादा मेहनत होगी. और अगर जो मैं इसे, ठीक है, आइस में हिलाता हूँ तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत होगी. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो जितना गाढ़ा है उसकी डेंसिटी उतनी हाई है, द मीडियम डेंसिटी. सो नाउ the density of air medium is low as compared density of water medium. Low density are known as the rarer medium and high density are known as the denser medium. So this is a rarer medium, this is a denser medium, and again this is a rarer medium. First light, that means a incident ray. This is a incident ray at any point of surface arrive through the air medium. This light, this ray are known as incident ray. Now, rule number first: if any beam of light, if any beam of light arrive through rarer medium to denser medium, rarer to denser, then bend towards in the direction of normal. जब कोई बीम मतलब रेरर मीडियम से डेंसर मीडियम में इंसर्ट होती है तो नॉर्मल की तरफ मुड़ जाती है. when any beam rarer denser to rarer medium, that means a back फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल. ध्यान से देखिए, जब कोई रेरर से डेंसर में इंटर होएगी तो नॉर्मल की तरफ बेंड हो जाएगी, बट जब कोई डेंसर से रेरर में जाएगी तो नॉर्मल से दूर हट जाएगी. स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी टेक अ बीम ऑफ लाइट अराइव थ्रू रेरर टू डेंसर मीडियम, दैट मीन्स वो थोड़ी सी क्या हो जाएगी, बेंड हो जाएगी. इन दिस फिनोमिना PQ is an example of the incident ray and QR is an example of refracted ray. Student, I hope you getting the proper meaning. First one is the incident ray and second one is the refracted, because these phenomena are known as refraction. Refraction required more than one medium. In this phenomena we used our two medium. First one is the air medium and second one is the water medium. At a point Q, PQ is an incident ray and QR is a reflected ray, such that here this is will be equal of I and this will be equivalent of R. What is the mean of the I? That means angle of incidence, and R that means angle of reflection, just for the point Q. Q के लिए ये इंसिडेंट है और ये क्या है, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे है. बट अगर जो मैं यही बात R के लिए करूं स्टूडेंट, जस्ट फॉर द R, व्हाट इज दिस? This is a first normal M end and this is a second normal M dash N dash. Student, here PQ is a incident ray and QR is a refracted ray for the point Q. But for the point R, this ray also known as incident ray and this is known as, देखिए, here ray from air to denser medium and here denser to rarer medium. मतलब यहाँ पर नॉर्मल की तरफ बेंड हुई थी, यहाँ पर नॉर्मल से वापिस से दूर होगी. स्टूडेंट, समझ आ रहा है आपको? यहाँ पर ये नॉर्मल की तरफ बेंड हुई थी और यहाँ पर ये नॉर्मल से दूर हो जाएगी. दिस टोटल फिनोमिना आर नोन एज रिफ्रैक्शन. वन मोर टाइम, एट अ पॉइंट Q, दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे, दिस इज refracted ray. At a point R, this is incident ray and this is refracted ray, but the last ray also known as emergent ray. याद रहेगा स्टूडेंट, लास्ट are known as emergent ray. I hope there is angle will be equal of I and this will be equal of R, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. But here again this is a incident ray for the I, so angle will be equal of I and this will be equal of angle R. But last angle also known as E. What is the mean of the E? E that means a emergent angle of emergent or emergent angle. But by the property of refraction, by law of refraction, we can say refraction by law of reflection we can say angle I will be equal of angle E. By the property of reflection we told angle I equal to angle R. Angle I will be equal of angle R, and here angle I will be equal of angle E. I hope student you getting the proper concept related to reflection. Last one here again, अगर जो मैं इस बीम को आगे की तरफ बढ़ाऊं, ठीक है, ये इमेजनरी पॉइंट है इसका, तो मैं बोल सकता हूं कि दिस एंड दिस बोथ आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर इन द phenomena of reflection. This and this, that means the imaginary of the incident ray and final emergent ray both are parallel to each other. These total phenomena are known as reflection of light. I hope student you getting the proper concept related to light reflection and refraction. Reflection, that means one medium. Refraction, that means more than one medium. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajuda. Student, please like and subscribe and also study from our channel.